down the phone and focus on me, baby. We've been through a lot. I held you down, so give me what you got. Don't let it stop.
What is up, you guys? It is your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping vlog. If you are new to this channel, hi, hello, welcome. Thank you for clicking that thumbnail. I do hair, makeup, fashion, vlogs, and nails on this channel. So if you like all of those things, you made it to the end, you're rocking out with your girl, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. Until my day ones, you know I love y'all down. Yesterday, I took CJ out to dinner, which was in the last vlog. Now, and this morning, I woke up and made breakfast. I'm just tired. But we heading to class, and I think our ride is downstairs. So I'm about to go down there now and meet CJ because he's on his way here. Ciao. If tired was a person, it'll be me. We on the ride, y'all, but my head is pounding. It's hot out here. I have a hat with a hat in my hair. I should have just worn my natural hair. It is hot. We just got off a Cessa ride. It was a long ride, and it was a freaking hot box in there. Her AC wasn't working. I almost passed. Well, I did pass out. I went to sleep. But we both was knocked out because it was so hot from there. He need to complain, but I know he's not going to do it. Mr. Me, I think we're about to get empanada mama. I can't order here? I can't order here. That's crazy. Yeah, but he's right there. Yeah, the guy at Empanada Mama was so rude, not paying attention in his phone. I went to the window, he didn't tell me that I had to order to the side. Like, he was just doing too much. Man, ghetto.
I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
Like, not paying attention at all. Thank you. Nothing.
Because you work, because you ain't no joke. So you need more energy. You gotta now give me 50.
50?
She said, give me 50.
I could probably do
like
10.
You full of shit. You can do 50. You gotta stop it. Come on, man.
50 is crazy work.
You young. For all we know, we may never meet again. Before we go, make this moment sweet again. We won't say good night. Till the last minute. Hold out my hand, and my heart will be in there. For all we know, this may only be a dream. Oh, the stream. This one is not. So love me tonight. Tomorrow may never come. Tomorrow may be the one, but all we know,
My mother and them. I would think you put crack in. It's just like I'm putting the refrigerator to cool down. My mother came home. You go for a second piece. Hold on. How'd she get the squares offset like that? So I just eat it. I don't know how she did it. She said, that's a minute. So you just not noticing that?
Cause I'm not about that. I think it's really right. Cause I really love you. There's nothing that can take my love away. look in the mics. Turn around and face the mics. It's more. And let's do the next one. Breathe. Europeans can't hear as much as ancient people. The Gentiles can't hear. So, in order to keep everybody together.
What is up, y'all? I am getting ready to go to a basketball game. This is my fit. Hold on, let me bring this down. This is my fit. Super cute. Even though these are orange, I'm gonna paint it red in the pictures if it looked too bad. Yeah, so it's been a couple days. The corset I wanted to wear, it didn't look right with this. The hair I wanted to wear, it wasn't acting right. First I wanted to wear my blue ones, and it was looking too calm, Lola said. So I don't have a red, what you call this? So I'm just going to let my red bra show to tie everything together. And then I just so happened to have these shades, and I forgot I had them. I looked over there, I said, oh my God, these shades is going to eat with these. Then I have my Palm Angels bag. This is the vibes I'm giving. I really like this fit. My brother just told me to take pictures outside. I'm about to see how they look. It eats. Let me get a good one. I like this one. Dang, the Palms Angels wasn't showing. I'm gonna have to try to fix that. Okay, the Palms Angels is showing there. I could fix that and put it in the next one. I really like this one. Oh, we on a ride, y'all. We made it. We out here, y'all, at the pier. Let me show y'all what it look like.
Why you want to be her hater, though?
He's my #1 hater.
That's a blessing.
Yeah, I don't hate on her.
You can't hate on her. You're supposed to love her.
I do, but I hate to make shit perfect.
No, that's not bars.
Fellas, get y'all some water.
All right, Mike, come get him.
Get y'all some water.
Mike,
Get y'all some
I think
water.
you're ready.
This organization was started because of this young man that was shot. A senseless act of gun violence, a victim. He's in a wheelchair and he'll be speaking shortly. But the organization is putting on the free content today, a song for life.
He said she liked my colors and he brushed it off. He's a hater. My #1 hater.
You didn't tell him to the bar.
said if you don't hate, you gotta hate on me. So what? So you can make sure I'm perfect. Good fucking night. It sounds like it's about to rain. You heard that? We just walking, y'all. I finally wore my glasses. So the other people them not here. I knew it. He wanted to get here exactly at 4. You said 4:30. Even that was early. 5 o'clock. You trying to be punctual? Everybody else not gonna be punctual. Now we're trying to find something to snack on because these people are not here, and they wanted CJ to speak as soon as we walked up there, and I'm like, how he gonna speak without them? She asked you if you spoke.
She said, oh, you can speak and then you can go and speak again.
He looks so good. Guess who brought him that shirt? Me. Oh yeah? He ran away.
I came back.
This is what I get. You put me down.
It's disgusting.
It's starting to rain, y'all. We might have to take an Uber home. People performing, but it's drizzling, and we not standing over there in the rain. We're probably gonna have to take an Uber home. Hope's still not here. They keep asking CJ to speak. They finally here, but the DJ done packed it up because it was pouring raining.
You should have put a mic on your mouth, man. Told him.
Hey.
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 Don't let him do this.
Hey. Hey.
I'm always glad to see you. Oh. Give me a hug. Don't think I won't do it. Bam. I got nothing but love for you. You like the cute ones. You like me. I'm gonna leave y'all inside. But they're hard. All day. They will cuss you out. All day we've been complimenting each other. All day.
What's a hater?
All day. What, you don't want them to compliment you? You'd rather look like a tomato? Naked City. Hello.
Well. Yeah, what you want to do? We gotta go. Look at the clouds, y'all.
They just gonna push it back. Not another day. Like just an hour or two.
He came prepared.
I came with holes in my shoes.
Oh,
That wasn't smart.
They was playing both.
Yeah, earlier.
They was here since 10.
That girl had a crowd.
She
And this by Brooklyn Blues was here. And the Brooklyn Borough president was here.
Fresh. Need the promo.
We going back home. A wasted outfit. I'm so mad. Whatever.
You don't
I
need
took
to look?
pictures. I'm so mad I wasted the outfit. This cute was too fire too.
What?
I said this was too fire, my outfit.
Outfit.
Yeah.
You got mad compliments. Nobody looked at me and said I was dope, except for Bo.
Anyway, today was a bust. Tomorrow's my birthday. Yeah, today was an epic fail. It is pouring, raining. Pouring, raining outside. Like, non-stop. But I did come home to some packages. Let me show you my packages. So, it's dark in my room. It's probably dark. Alright, these shoes I'm going to wear tomorrow for my rainy day. I have these shoes in gold, but I wanted to get silver because I'm wearing a dress that requires silver jewelry and stuff. So I just said, let me just get the silver one. This is from Fashion Nova. I had brought it in extra small, but it was too small. So now I got a small. Hopefully it fits. This was supposed to be an outfit that I wore when I took him out to eat, but it didn't come in times. This is a two-piece outfit. I was thinking about wearing this on the yacht. We were supposed to go on the yacht. I don't know what happened with that. But it didn't happen, so. Dang, it's bright over here. I'm gonna do this over here again. So, these are the jeans. It has a slit in the back. These jeans is like the stretchy type of jeans. I don't like the a denim skirt. I love the distressing, the extra detailing. got this in a size small. I love me a good denim skirt that has like extra detailing, extra, you know, pizzazz on it. I got me a Von Dutch hat. I got a bag of bows. These are cute. I got some rhinestones and glue so I could put it on the bows to make it pop, you know, just a little bit. Then I got a bang. I don't know if it's gonna go with my wig tomorrow, but I want to put my hair up into a ponytail with a bow and then wear the bang. So hopefully it goes. These are from Fashion Nova too. This graphic tee. Cute, cute. And then this skirt. I got this in an extra small, but then when the other skirt came and it was an extra small and it didn't fit, I had ordered another one. So I already have the small, it came already. This looked too small. I've been waiting for CJ's cologne for days. It still ain't get here. Hopefully it get here Monday. I brought you another cologne and it never got here. That's why I brought you that cologne.
Wow.
So that's all the items that I got from Fashion Nova and Amazon. We don't even have food to eat now because everything is closed. Keep food closed early. Like they used to close at 11 o'clock and now they close at 9. We gotta figure out what we gonna eat. That is the end of this vlog. It's a quick little vlog. I'm sorry it wasn't longer. It was supposed to be longer. It's supposed to be performances and all that stuff. But yeah, the rain made the day sour. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog still. Love you guys. Till next time. Much love. Bye.
Wish upon a star, that's what this love feels like. Meet me in the clouds, we can dance